Tired of pulling out your meter to read flame sense? The White-Rodgers 50E47U-843 Universal Hot Surface Ignition Module shows the flame current as soon as there is an active flame. After ignition, the display will flash between the letters HT indicating it is in heat mode and an uppercase C followed by two numbers separated by a dot or decimal. The numbers following the C are real-time measurement of the flame current. In this application, the flame current reading is 5 microamps. It's as easy as reading the display. If you prefer to test the flame current using your own meter, test pins are available on the control to use with the DC meter. Just set a voltmeter to DC volts and measure across the pins while a flame is present on the sensor probe. The conversion ratio is 1 volt DC to 1 microamp. Knowing the real-time flame current is now easier than ever with White-Rodgers Connect controls.